Buddy Brian back here with a look at Algorand. Do not sleep on this coin. I'm telling you, it is beat down, right down to the bottom. Let's put a trend line down here. Right there. Okay, look at that. Beat right back down to the point it was over here in March of 2020. 13 cents. It actually went a little bit below that. The line could come down just a hair. Let's get it right on that bottom. Right there. Okay, so it came down and just rode right on that. Look at that, 9 cents. That would have been a great buy. I think this thing is going to absolutely crush it here pretty soon. If we zoom in on this thing way down here, look where it hit on a Fibonacci. Pull this up right around that 786. They always say, I've remembered this from my first couple days in crypto. If you can buy a token at the 786, you know what I mean? That's a good buy. All right. The only thing you have left, if this possibly broke down any further, from where it's at. Let's see here. Say you bought it there. All right. What's the most you could lose on this? Well, you could a lot. 43%, I guess. I don't see that happening. I didn't expect 43% there. Holy cow. I'm expecting a big bounce out of this thing. I was just doing that for an example. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't look like a lot, but I guess it is. Well, anyway, we got this bounce at the 786. You can see a corrective move completed in here, A, B, C, and this thing's getting ready to go. The weekly RSI heading to the upside. You got your 5-day heading to the upside, way oversold here down at the bottom. Your 3-day starting to get near the top here. If anything, you're starting a wave 1, then you'll have a 2-wave pullback, and then a 3rd wave in this thing. This thing is just starting to move up out of here, guys. Look how low it is still down here. All right, that's your 3-day. Your daily. Okay, right at the very top here. No bearish divergence on it at all. Okay, let's look and see inside here. Because your wave 1 should have 5 waves inside of it, okay? And that's all wave 1. Your 2 wave should have 3 waves inside of it, an A, B, C. All right, I teach all that. If you're interested in a level 3 membership, it's $14.99. You get over 10 hours of videos in there. And a link to the Discord to come trading with us. There's over 200 people in there, so and I can't thank them enough, man. They keep this channel going. Thank you, thank you, thank you, a million times over. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys are absolutely the best. You can see a resistance line down here also starting. That actually goes out a little bit further. Hasn't hit it yet. Right out towards here. Alright, just pull it down just a hair. I like that. I like things as perfect as I can get them. It's out just a hair more. Yeah, somewhere right around there. But you can see inside this first move right here, what I'm getting at. You can see a 1, 2, 3. Looks like a 4th wave pullback coming and a 5. Alright, and it's probably going to break through this resistance. That would all be a wave 1. Alright, then you would have a 2-wave pullback down. It's probably down to a 618 or wherever it goes. Sometimes they bounce before that, but pay attention to that once it comes. Alright, you got your 12-hour right at the very, very top here. Now you can see them waves. You see what I'm talking about? You got a 1, 2, 3, 4th wave pullback here. Can't go any deeper than you got a wave 1, 2 down here, so it could pull back at a pretty decent down to actually 1398 and not violate this, but it's going to bounce before that. 8-hour coming down, 4-hour go to the 4-hour, just about reset here on the 4-hour. Yeah, so you'll get that 5th wave. See these waves now. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you'll have, and that'll all be a wave 1, 2. Looking for big things out of algo. I mean, just take a look at this real quick. This is on a weekly. All right, you got that weekly turned up. Let's go to the monthly so we can see this whole thing. It has just absolutely been crushed. All right, these are the ones where you can make a pile of money. Man, I got in Cardano for, what was it, 4 cents the last bull run. Polygon for 2 cents. You know, them are the ones that that can really, really make a difference. You know, if you take a fib on this thing, if it does a Fibonacci extension in this bull run, okay, you know, look at the target for this. $12.40. All right, is it going to hit that? I have no idea. I really don't. Where's it at now? It's at 15 cents. I've seen that. Like I said, you know, I seen Polygon and Cardano go to over $3 from 4 cents and 2 cents. All right, Gala Games. I had 250,000 Gala Games that I bought for $37. $37. It went to 80 cents. All right, so things can definitely run hard. You know, this is absolutely a possibility. Even if it got up to the 2618, that's $7.70. You know, from down here. All right, at 15 cents. Let's take a look at something. $7.70. You could really, really make some nice money. 770 divided by, where are we at? I don't know. Say 16 cents. That's a 48x. Almost 50xing your money. You know, if it does that. This isn't financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but this thing works. I'm telling you, this Fibonacci extension. Let me show you something. And I'm not saying that this thing's going to $12, but I'm just going to show you how accurate this thing can be. I mean, I use it constantly. I totally believe in this Fibonacci extension. All right, let me show you something here. Let's get that stuff off there. All right, this is Cardano on the monthly. This is back in 2017. All right, if you go from the wick on this thing and pull it down, did it hit the target? No, absolutely not. All right, $5.41. You don't use that wick. All right, there's little things that I teach all that in them lessons, but look at this. Absolutely nailed it. All right. $3.15. If you get right in there on that thing, it nailed it right to the T. So this thing absolutely 100% works. You know, for this bull run here for ADA, where's it at now? Down at 43 cents. The targets for it right there. The target for Cardano is $12.30. All right, and now it's at 44 cents right now. That's not huge profits, you know. Is that a 30x, something like that? Yeah, but still a 30x on your money. You know, ADA's got to run hard, no question about it. You got the monthly turning up, but I just wanted to show you how this Fibonacci works, guys. So keep an eye on Algorand. That's one of them ones that have been beat down in the dirt. You know, that is the tokens you want to snag up, not the ones that have already run, the ones that are still sitting still. You know, look at this. This is down 94.5%. All right, so keep your eye on Algorand, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll be back with you soon. Have a great day, everybody.